How to fix the issue with Fifth Third Bank application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Fifth Third Bank application not working. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to head towards Google Store if you're an Android device or go to Apple Store if you're an iOS device. In the search bar, you simply need to write Fifth Third Bank application and at the top result, if you see the option of update beside it, click on it and do update the application. Now, after that, you need to head towards the setting of the application. So for that, tap and hold on the app icon and click on App Info. In the settings, you will see storage. Simply click on it and click on Clear Cache. Once the cache has been cleared, now the application will run smoothly, as sometimes collected cache can also affect the performance. After all this step, if your problem is still not solved, you are suggested to uninstall the application and reinstall it. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Fifth Third Bank application not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.